Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we discuss exercise 10.2 question number 12. If alpha, beta and gamma are angles of triangle ABC, show that cot alpha by 2 plus cot beta by 2 plus cot gamma by 2 is equal to cot alpha by 2, cot beta by 2, cot gamma by 2. Now we start the solution. Since given that alpha, beta and gamma are angles of triangle ABC. Therefore, alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 180 degree. So alpha plus beta is equal to 180 degree minus gamma, dividing both sides by 2. Alpha plus beta over 2 is equal to 180 degree minus gamma over 2. Alpha over 2 plus beta over 2 is equal to 90 degree minus gamma over 2. Taking cot function on both sides, cot alpha over 2 plus cot beta over 2 is equal to cot of 90 degree minus gamma over 2. Now use the formula for cot alpha plus beta. Cot alpha by 2 cot beta by 2 minus 1 over cot alpha by 2 plus cot beta by 2, and we know that cot of 90 degree minus theta is equal to tan theta. Cot alpha by 2 cot beta by 2 minus 1 is equal to tan gamma by 2 is equal to 1 over cot gamma by 2 multiplied by cot alpha by 2 plus cot beta by 2. This expression can be written as cot alpha by 2 cot beta by 2 minus 1 multiplied by cot gamma by 2 is equal to cot alpha by 2 plus cot beta by 2. Cot alpha by 2 cot beta by 2 cot gamma by 2 minus cot gamma by 2 is equal to cot alpha by 2 plus cot beta by 2. Cot alpha by 2 cot beta by 2 cot gamma by 2 is equal to cot alpha by 2 plus cot beta by 2 plus cot gamma by 2 as required. Question number 13. Given that alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 180 degree, then show that cot alpha cot beta plus cot beta cot gamma plus cot gamma cot alpha is equal to 1. Now we start the solution. Since alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 180 degree, therefore alpha plus beta is equal to 180 degree minus gamma. Taking cot function on both sides, cot of alpha plus beta is equal to cot of 180 degree minus gamma. Now we use the formula for cot alpha plus beta, cot alpha cot beta minus 1 over cot alpha plus cot beta, and we know that cot of 180 minus theta is equal to minus cot theta. In place of theta we use angle gamma. Cot alpha cot beta minus 1 is equal to minus cot gamma multiplied by cot alpha plus cot beta. Cot alpha cot beta minus 1 minus cot gamma is multiplying by cot of alpha plus cot of beta. We have minus cot gamma cot alpha or minus cot beta cot gamma. This it can be written as cot alpha cot beta plus cot beta cot gamma plus cot gamma cot alpha, and negative minus 1 on left hand side, it will become positive 1 on right hand side as required. Question number 14. Write the following expression in the form of r cos of r sine of theta plus phi, r sine of theta minus phi. Part number 1 is in the first quadrant. Part number 1 is 12 sin theta plus 5 cos theta. We take, let 12 is equal to r cos phi and 5 is equal to r sin phi. Consider it as equation 1 and it as equation 2, scaling and adding 1 and 2. 12 square plus 5 square is equal to r square cos square phi plus r square sin square phi. 144 plus 25 is equal to r square into cos square phi plus sin square phi. We know that cos square phi plus sin square phi is equal to 1, and 144 plus 25 is equal to 169 is equal to r square. Since r square is equal to 169, taking square root on both sides, r is equal to 13. Now dividing equation 2 by 1, we have r sin phi over r cos phi 5 over 12. R is cancelled out by r, and we have tan phi is equal to 5 over 12, and phi will be equal to tan inverse 5 over 12. Therefore, the given expression becomes 12 sin theta plus 5 cos theta equal to r cos phi sin theta plus r sin phi cos theta. Taking common r, we have sin theta cos phi plus cos theta sin phi. Putting the value of r 13, and we use the formula sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta. We have sin of alpha plus beta. It will become sin of theta plus phi, where phi is equal to tan inverse 5 over 12. Consider part number 2. 3 sin theta minus 4 cos theta. Let 3 is equal to r cos phi and 4 is equal to r sin phi. Consider it as equation 1 and equation 2. Scaling and adding equations 1 and 2. 3 square plus 4 square is equal to r square cos square phi plus r square sin square phi. 9 plus 16 is equal to r square into cos square phi plus sin square phi. 25 is equal to r square, as we know that cos square phi plus sin square phi is equal to 1. Taking square root on both sides, r square root is equal to 25 square root. This implies that r is equal to 5. Dividing equation 2 by 1, we have r sin phi over r cos phi is equal to 4 over 3. So we have tan phi is equal to 4 over 3 and phi is equal to tan inverse 4 over 3. The expression becomes 3 sin theta minus 4 cos theta is equal to r cos phi sin theta minus r sin phi cos theta. Taking common r, we have sin theta cos phi minus cos theta sin phi. Putting the value of r 5, and here we use the formula sin alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sin beta, sin of theta minus phi, where phi is equal to tan inverse 4 over 3. Part number 3 is sin theta minus cos theta. Here we let 1 is equal to r cos phi, and 1 is equal to r sin phi. Consider that as these as equation number 1 and 2. Scaling and adding 1 and 2. 1 का square plus 1 square is equal to r square cos square phi plus r square sin square phi. 1 plus 1 is equal to r square into cos square phi plus sin square phi. 2 is equal to r square. Taking square root on both sides, we have r is equal to square root 2. Now dividing equation 2 by 1, we have r sin phi over r cos phi is equal to 1 over 1. R is cancelled out by r, and sin over cos is equal to tan phi is equal to 1, and phi is equal to tan inverse of 1, which is equal to 45 degree. The expression sin theta minus cos theta becomes 1 multiplied by sin theta minus 1 multiplied by cos theta, r cos phi sin theta minus r sin phi cos theta. Taking common r, we have sin theta cos phi minus cos theta sin phi. Putting the value of r square root 2, and here we use the formula sin of theta minus phi, where phi is equal to 45 degree.